Hello guys, now today's point is Typescript Union. In a TypeScript, if you want to combine the multiple data types or one or more data types, then we can assign one or more data types to the variable. This facility is available. This is known as a union. So TypeScript 1.4 gives the programs to ability to combine the one or two types. So one TypeScript version 1.4 and above, this facility is available. So in a latest version also this is available. The union, what is union? So union types are the powerful ways to express the value that can be one of the several types. So for example, suppose I declare a variable of a type num, or I want to store into that variable of a type string. So either num or either string I want to store a value, so that things I can express with the help of union. So how to do this? So for that specific, the pipe symbol is used, or you can say it's or symbol, to combine the two or more data types in a union. Okay, so we will see one example on the union. First example, suppose here I declare a variable of a name uh, val, and the type of that val I declared as a string or pipe symbol number. So in a val variable I can store a string or I can store a number. So this facility I can sorry so this thing I can do into the for the var variable. Okay, now look here. First, after that I initialize a 12 as a number. So can I store a number into the val? Yes, because here I assign a number as a data type. Now I just printed a value, numeric value of a val is equal to val. So whatever the values is stored, it will print. Now into the same variable, now check the another data. So val is equal to in double quote. Now this is a string, so it is a my message. I am storing into the val. So can I store a string into the val? Yes, because here the string data type is also assigned. So again I printed the string val, and just on a console whatever the data is available it will print. Now we just check a small demo on this. Now for example, look here, suppose I declared variable temp colon string or number. Okay, and into this tape suppose I store a 10. Yes, and I try to print it console.log value for 10 is right. For same variable, suppose this is my message console.log and this is I'm declaring 10. Yes, after that again I can assign a different value. Yes, like by console.log okay. Now I save this program and I try to compile it. So tsc the union demo.ts, and just execute with the help of node. Now look here, the value of temp is 10. The first message is welcome back to Tech Institute. Second message is bye. Yes. What is the latest value of temp? Is a bye. So you cannot use a 10 and this. Why? Because you already assigned the whatever values are you assigned, you overridden the value, right? So what is the latest value of temp is bye. Okay. So this is about the union. Suppose I want to pass the things to the function. So type of arguments I want to pass to the function using union. So how I can pass. So now just check it. So union type and the function parameters. So look the second example. Here disp function is used like a display, okay? And here the parameter is a name, but the type of that parameter is a string or string array. Now two types are assigned. So it is a single string argument or the complete string array I assign to the name variable. Now here I am checking if the type of name is equal to string, then console.log name, else I can print the complete array whatever the values are available into the string. Okay, so are you getting? It's a very straightforward. Now what is the first function call for this? Is a mark. So in that case, which type is used here is a string. Yes. And second, suppose I pass directly the array, so it will pass here and it will print one by. So else part will execute and it will print one by one, right? Mark, Tom, Mary, John. So two function calls are possible for the single function definition using the you can combine the multiple data types, that is using the union pipe symbol, correct? Now just check the output. Just we try to modify the code. Yes, so it is a function. Display, and if I declare a variable is a name column either string or string array, correct? And now if type of name is equal to string, and what you have to do, console.log, you have to just print the message, right? Single names. Else here what you have to do, you have to iterate. If it is an array, if it is not a single string, so you have to iterate it, right? For variable, so here I declared the index variable I equal to 0, I equal to 0, I less than the name dot length, correct? And then I plus plus. And then console.log, here there is a list of names plus what you have to do, this is the name of I. Okay, so look here, so this is also not essential, you can do like this. Okay, So now try to compile. Clear. Yes. And then you have to first compile it. tsc union demo.ts. Okay, that is compiled successfully. Now before to execute, you have to give the function call. Correct? Now what is the function name? Just check it. Display. So this is a display. Here I pass as a like this. Yes, and this is a first call for string. Correct? Yes or no? And then display second function call. So first function call we will just check the output. Node union demo.js. Let's compile it. Look, single name is a Abhinav. Correct? Now I pass display. Can I pass as an array? Correct? So how to pass the array? So it is a type of string, so multiple strings you can pass, right? So I can pass like A, B, C, D. So this is second call for string array. Correct? Now check the output. Compile again. Run it. Check the output. First function call is for like display first string. Second, it is array first A string, B string, C string, D. So n number of arguments we can pass into the second function call, right? So this is the advantage of union. So you can combine one or more data types using the pipe symbol. Okay, so I hope you clear about this. If you have any doubt, you just comment on that in a comment box. Thank you.